Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop a file type from opening in Internet Explorer. First, make sure you're signed in as an administrator and Internet Explorer is closed. Next, identify the file extension, for example, HTML, HTM, or PDF, because you'll change the association for that specific extension. Now open Settings and go to Apps, then Default Apps. On older Windows, open Control Panel and Default Programs. Once there, locate the option to choose Defaults by file type, so you can begin replacing Internet Explorer with your preferred program. Now change the association step by step. Scroll to the extension you identified and click the app listed as the current default. It may show Internet Explorer. From the menu, pick the application you want to use instead. If the app isn't listed, choose More Apps or look for another app on this PC to browse to the programs. exe. Alternatively, right-click a sample file, choose Open With, pick the app and check Always Use this app. Once done, Windows will open that file type with your selected program. Finish by testing. Double-click a file with the changed extension to confirm it launches in the new application. If it still opens in Internet Explorer, go back to Default Apps and reset to Microsoft Recommended, then reassign the file type. If problems persist, run the Windows troubleshooting tool for default apps, reinstall the program you want as default, or, as a last resort, check the HKey class's root registry entries for that extension. Make sure you export a backup first. One quick tip: run Settings as administrator when making persistent changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.